Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is third question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So firstly हम देखेंगे complementary angles when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree then they are complementary to each other, and when the sum of two angles is 180 degree then they are supplementary angles to each other. So first is 65 and 115, तो इनका सम देख लेंगे हम. 165 plus 115 is equal to 180. सो इनका सम 180 है, सो हो जाएगा हमारे पास सप्लीमेंट्री angles. Second, 63 plus 27. So there are 63 plus 27 is equal to 90 degree. So they are complementary. Then third, 112 plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary angle. Fourth, 130 plus 50. So इनका सम हो जाएगा 180. So they are supplementary angles. Then fifth, 45 plus 45. So there are 90 means complementary angles. Then sixth, 80 plus 10 is equal to 90. So ये हमारा complementary angles. So when the sum of two angles is equal to 180, so then known as supplementary angle. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90, then known as complementary angles. Thank you.